Friends, in today's video I will show you that how to make an application. From today's onward we will start making our apps in Thunkable as it is an advanced builder, so we will not use that code.org now. For creating a new project in Thunkable, uh, go to this Thunkable thunkable.com project, sign in yourself and start creating a new project. So click on this create new project. We will enter the name of our project. I will make it a random screen color. Then category to entertainment. Okay. Click on this use drag and drop builder. Create it. Then take a button. Here, here is a button. I will change the text to change beige color. BG is full form is background. Then go to blocks, create a new variable, color underscore list. Then we here we are making a variable in which we will store a list of colors. So then go to list, take this block, remove all this match block, delete them all. Then start taking colors from the color section, orange, green, green. If you need to add more, you can click on this plus button here. I just want two more here. Then I will add purple and go to colors blue. If you don't want to use these colors, click on the color here and see there is a palette here. You can pick any color from this. I will pick light blue color. Then I just made a list. So I will go to button 1 here. When button 1 click, it means that when button 1 is clicked, when we will click on this button, we have to pick a random color. So first go to screen 1, set background color to, go to list, random item from list. Instead of this block, we will bring our variable here. I will explain this after the test on web preview. Yes. When we will click on this change, we see it's changing its background color, orange, purple, green, purple, red, orange, blue, green, orange, red, blue, green. It's changing its color randomly. So this first we created a variable in which I make a list of these 5 colors. Then we created that when button 1 is clicked, means when we click on that button, set screen's background color. That we have to, when button 1 is clicked, we have to set the background color to random item from this list, and the variable name here color list. This is just in today's video. This is a basic preview of Thunkable. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.